It's part 2 of South Carolina, Spartanburg, Performance Center Delivery, X5 off-road course. There's our rear view mirror, rear view camera I should say. There's our instructor for this course. How do you like it so far?
I like very much.
How's the off-road capability?
Fantastic. Just, I would say fantastic.
So essentially right now we're going to sign up for a little African trip with Mike and his X5. We're going to ship it down there and we're going to go to the Amazon and things like that. So check this out, guys. 40% grade.
So as you can see, I'm on a pretty steep incline here, and I'm just going to put my foot on the brake and come to a complete stop. Now, usually when you take your foot off of a brake and you're on an incline like this, obviously you're
40% grade incline, guys.
I'm foot off the brake now, and foot back on the gas, and as you can see, the X5 did not roll back at all until, it didn't release the brakes until I actually put my foot on the throttle and
water's still coming out.
It's called Start Off Assist. It's a really cool feature on the X5s. And y'all can just kind of give that a shot right there at the beginning of the hill, and then just follow me right on up here.
Look at that, the water's still coming out.
So just pull up a little bit,
pull up,
come to a full stop on the incline, take your foot off the brake, and then go back to the gas.
Сначала станьте как он. Приготовьтесь, пока еще не... Выровняйте машину и остановите ее. Окей, остановите. Стоп. Теперь стоп. Теперь смотрите, отпускайте тормоз, и вы видите, машина назад не будет сразу катиться.
Не идет, а все машины идут.
Теперь стоп опять. Окей, теперь давайте за ним вперед. Знаете, тут самое главное не давать много газа. Вы дали газ и держите. Four-wheel drive сама включится. Тут надо держать стабильный газ и ждать. Да, не подтягивать. Они сами почувствуют, они сами начнут работать. Видите? Не подтягивайте. So just explaining to Michael in Russian how the four-wheel drive system actually works in these vehicles, because a lot of times you do know it has it, but how does it actually turn on? So a lot of people make the mistake of giving it too much gas when they think it's not going. Meanwhile, you just have to keep it nice and steady and let the system think for a few seconds.
Left-hand bend that's coming up, I want you just to stay right in my tire tracks. That way we can put the X5 on as much angle as possible.
Check this out, guys. Angle 40% steep grade down.
I'll kind of give everybody else a chance to get caught up here so you can see what I'm talking about.
Check this out. Подождите, Миш. Кстати, так. Alright, we're having a lot of fun here. There's the test track. That's where we were having a lot of fun earlier today. So after this, the factory tour is next. But what we're going to do is once Mike is done, we're going to switch and I'll get to do the same thing except much faster, much harder. We're going to try to flip the car over this time. Because what we did last time is we're going to try to touch the floor from the sunroof. That's how we're going to bend the car. And you guys will see all of that.
There we go. Alright, everybody just follow me around this corner. Stay right in my tire tracks. See if we can keep my record clean for this week and not tip any over.
Hey guys, check this out. I could touch the rocks, guys. Check this out. Look at the grade. Look at the grade. Unreal. Michael, wave. Yeah. Look at me for a second. Having fun? Say what's up.
Africa Safari. Patagonia.
Say what's up, YouTube. Slow down a little bit here. Yeah. Stop. Немножко. 40. Again, this is a 40% hill. So look how easily it's gonna take it. Again, remember, вы даете a little bit of gas and keep it there. The wheels.
I'm gonna be stopping right up here at the top of this hill.
So this way.
Let everybody get caught up here.
Guys, what's up? Stan Coop here again. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Okay, here we are.
Guys, you can work your way on up the hill here.
Let's go. Просто держите стеди, вы
Я
уже
держу,
поняли.
да,
Всё.
я уже
А
понял.
потом, когда ближе на тормоз нажмем и все. Еще не можешь. Поэтому, потому что если резко газ давать, вы можете стукнуть нечаянно.
Конечно, и могу
Поэтому надо
вырваться.
идти.
Alright, so next up, we're going to be
So-
checking out hill descent
Стоп.
control. So what I want
So-
you to do is
Listen to what he's
look
saying now.
right in front of your gear shifter below the CD player, and in the first two
Вот.
X5s of the
Я
smart
знаю, что
package,
нужно.
А, я, Сань.
just to the right of the button that's labeled DTC,
Looks like a duck.
you'll see a picture of an X5 sort of going downhill
Yep.
with a little speedometer next to it. Just press that button, you'll get a green light that will pop up. And then the last X5 over there, it should be the
Behind us.
second button over from the right side. The same thing, a little picture of an X5 going downhill with a little speedometer next to it. That's the hill descent control. Just press that, get that green light that'll pop up just above the button. And then to make sure the system's
Awesome.
on, just look in between your gauge
Awesome day,
cluster.
62
you'll
degrees,
see letters
guys.
HDC. Alright, that means the system's definitely on. And if you have that, just give me a thumbs up or a wave. You guys good there, Travis?
Guys, having a lot of fun here. Oh, right here.
Ну, я включено или нет?
Да, вот. You just turn it on.
Yes, it's...
You're on. You're good to go.
Ah,
Good to go.
Thanks.
yes, it's here, duplicate.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out of the way.
There goes Mark. In the 904 X5 4.8. By the way, this line of cars, they're
And
all
I want the
4.8s.
first car line just to pull up to the
To the
top
start.
of the hill there and just hold.
Stop. Okay, just stop. Now here's what you're
Okay,
gonna
now
do.
when I call you, all I want you to do is simply take your foot off the brake pedal and steer the X5 down the hill without touching the
Уберите ногу с
brake or
тормоза
the gas.
и не нажимайте на тормоз or gas. Только steer. Go ahead. Release the brake.
Я газ, я релизну.
А ну немножко. Все, теперь релиз. Все, ничего не давайте.
Нога, тормоз.
Не надо тормоз.
Не надо?
Нет,
я тоже.
не нажимайте на тормоз,
Нет,
оно
не
сама
жму,
будет
хорошо.
жрать.
Ой,
Он вам
да,
этот фичер показывает.
А,
Вы только турните.
только, да.
Next car, pull up to the
Nice.
top of the hill there.
Yeah, nice, fantastic, unbelievable. Yes, it is.
You're clear. So as soon as you're there, just take your foot off the brake pedal and steer the X5 down the hill
Всё, теперь
without
что?
touching either of the pedals.
Не, сейчас можно ехать, можно проехать, чтобы другие могли.
Ну да, ну,
Last car in line, go ahead and pull up.
From an outside view, just so it from inside.
You're clear too. So as soon as you're up there, just take your foot off the
Hey guys, having a good time here. Awesome time. It's a beautiful day, 62 degrees.
Nice day, gang. As you can see, hill descent control is a really awesome feature on the X5. Speeds are adjustable through the cruise control. And next up, I want you just to stay right in my tracks over these bumps here.
Okay, stay right in
How
his
nice
tracks.
and level the X5 stays. You're also going to sort of be able to feel the X drive, applying the power to the tires that still have traction and reducing it from the tires that are slipping.
Вы поняли, да? Всегда стабильно. Не надо ли экстра газ, если он идет. Вы так дали и держите, оно само
да,
включится.
само, да.
И надо пару секунд подумать, каким колесам надо что дать.
Это оно раз... Ага, вот. Ага. Ой, сейчас он заедет на бок.
Alright, and then we
Да,
got
и
some
мы тоже так.
off-camber corners right here. So I want you just to follow me right around here. Stay right in my tire track.
Денис, мы не падаем.
Не бойтесь, все нормально.
Мы падаем. Ой.
Again, this is the off-road course at the Performance Center delivery, guys. There's no other way to take delivery of a brand new BMW. You gotta do it. As I always say, This is an experience of a lifetime.
And gang, we got the same thing right here, just the opposite direction.